Please watch to the end. Comment and respond to other people's comments.
You almost died.
I almost died.
Restaurant owner Jay Barbour talked to us from his wheelchair, something he didn't need before last summer when a bullet changed his life forever. A $23 million legal claim filed against the city of Tacoma states that on June 23rd of last year, Jay was driving to his restaurant when he was shot.
They didn't like my driving and they hung their horns and they just were crazy, cussing and trying to pull me out of the road.
A man identified in the claim as Mason Taylor is now in prison for the shooting. But it's what attorney Mark Lindquist says happened before all of that, when Tacoma police found Taylor at a separate shooting that is a basis for a potential civil suit against the city.
The shooter in this case was interviewed by police about 5 days prior to this incident. They had his gun, he was a suspect, and at the end of the evening, they left his gun on the curb for him to pick up. Makes no sense.
And Lindquist says that ballistic evidence shows that it was the same returned handgun that was used to shoot his client.
Is that common police practice?
As a former prosecutor, I've never seen anything quite like this.
It has been such a tough journey, I'm in pain 24 hours. I'm not able to do 90% of the stuff that I used to do.
So you don't want this to happen to anybody else?
Exactly. I want justice.
A City of Tacoma spokesperson said that they are reviewing this claim to figure out their next steps. They also said that their thoughts are with Jay Barbour and his family during this difficult time. Reporting in Tacoma, Paul Rivera, Como News.
The city of Tacoma is settling a lawsuit with a man who was paralyzed from the waist down in a road rage shooting. The city just approved a settlement of more than $14 million to Jay Barbour. The lawsuit claims a Tacoma police officer acted negligently by returning a gun to the shooting suspect, 20-year-old Mason Taylor, days before he allegedly shot and paralyzed Barbour in June 2022. The officer was fired after an internal investigation into the incident. The suspect pleaded guilty last year to assault and was sentenced to just over 10 years in prison.